Okay, so this hair comes from Best Lace Wigs, and it is the GLW018 in body wave. It is 16 inches and 150% density. The hair color is natural. I purchased this hair for, I think it was like $110 maybe, but I will link it down in the description box below. But I have to say that this hair is amazing. Now I will say, when it first came out of the packaging, because I put it on straight out of the packaging, there was a bit of a smell to it, and I mean, it's not unbearable, but it just smells like that hair when you buy it from a vendor. It's not unbearable, but I do plan on washing the hair, but I just wanted to come on here real quick and do a video for you guys. The hair is super soft. It's very silky, not getting any shedding. I did go in and I actually clipped the sides because the wig was a little bit bigger for my head. So I did go in and I clipped the sides, and I melted it down with the Gots to Be blasting freeze spray. So I did use this to melt it down, and I think it came out really pretty. The hair is very silky. As you can see, it has a natural shine. I can run my fingers through it, and there aren't any shedding, any tangling, or anything like that. There is a lot of flyaways in this unit, so just be mindful of that. You can just kind of spray it down with like hairspray, or if you have some that's got to be glue, you can spray it down and those flyaways will go away. To melt it even more, I did use this, what is this, the hot comb, the electric one from Golden Hot, and I purchased that from Sally's, and I just threw a few curls in there. And yeah guys, I tried to show you in the beginning, but the parting space of this unit is it's not that much, but for me it wasn't that bad, simply because I like this style, and on the site this is the style that the girl wore. So if you're looking for like a deep part, I don't know if this unit would be for you, but if you like that, you know, messy, thrown over to the side look, girl, this unit will be for you. Overall, I am very happy with the purchase. I will come back in about 2 weeks because this will be my hair for the next, I'm gonna give it a good week. I changed my hair like I changed my panties, but I will come back and give you guys an update on how the hair is, you know, holding up, how it handles with the weather, with it being hot, it's raining. This will be a perfect fall unit, so hopefully it will hold up. But yeah guys, I am very happy with this unit. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. If you do plan to purchase the unit, I will have the link down in the description box below. This video is not sponsored at all. I did purchase with my own money. But in the meantime, in between time, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.